Welcome to my channel, Study With Me. Today we will listen to the next section of Block 1, Unit 1, that is Section 1.2.5, Modern Indian Agriculture. Modern agriculture developed with the advancement of science and technology and its practical application in the field of agriculture. Now, farmers are adapting new techniques of agricultural production by replacing the traditional practices to harness the high level of productivity. Consequently, the productions of different kinds of produce at national level are quite satisfactory to meet the current needs of the human being and livestock. Such achievement in maintaining the pace in agricultural production with the growing population of human and cattle are mainly contributed due to the following facts. A. Development of improved plant types or varieties. After 1960, vast improvement in crop varieties has been made. Introduction of high-yielding varieties responding to better management, particularly in wheat and rice, and hybrids in maize, sorghum, pearl, millet, cotton, and several vegetable crops have made tremendous positive change in agricultural production. Varieties resistant to many diseases and insect pests are available. Now the crop varieties superior in grain quality, high oil contents, high quality of fiber, as well as tolerance to abiotic stresses like drought, floods, frost, high temperature, etc. are also available. The crop varieties of varying duration (early, medium and late) have encouraged growing of these crops in varied agroclimatic conditions and cropping or farming systems. B. Development of improved crop production technologies. Improved production techniques for crop cultivation based on the availability of various resources, viz. Land, water, capital and farm machineries have been developed. Improved production technology includes selection of suitable crops or varieties, proper land preparation, efficient sowing management, sowing time, seed rate, sowing method and plant geometry, etc. Balanced nutrition, effective weed control, adequate water management and proper plant protection measures. Thus, now agriculture itself is an industry. C. Minimum or zero tillage. Earlier it was considered that more yields are possible with more tillage. But now this idea has been changed. Now growers try to utilize the rich nutrition of upper soil surface and soil moisture more efficiently by minimizing or not doing the tillage operations. D. Intensive cropping. In the past, monocropping and double cropping under rain-fed farming were considered ideal for crop production. Now, due to availability of early maturing high-yielding varieties and efficient soil moisture conservation techniques, several double cropping systems have been evolved. Growing of 3 or more crops in succession, even without giving the rest to land, became quite feasible to raise the returns per unit area and time. Many studies found that intensive cropping systems have no adverse effect on soil properties. E. Dry land agriculture. In the areas where evapotranspiration is greater than precipitation, growing of crops was risky, but now improved cultivation technology for growing suitable crops has been developed. Now it is said that soils of dry farming regions are more hungry than thirsty. F. Use of problematic and waste land in agriculture. The problematic soils like saline, alkaline, acidic, flood-prone, desert and other soils unsuitable for agricultural use are being reclaimed with suitable scientific technologies for their efficient use in agriculture. G. Maintenance of soil health. It is well known that soil is a medium for plant growth to give ultimate yields. Hence, any operation on the soil for agriculture, viz., tillage, manuring, fertilizer application, irrigation, drainage, weeding, interculture practices, and use of agrochemicals may be done taking due consideration about their influence on soil properties. The old philosophy of Indian farming is getting changed, and modern improved agro techniques for growing crops are being adopted.